Isn't this a great idea? I know there are caddies out there in the marketplace, but what I really love about this is the size. It's not too big and it's not too small. I've tried other caddies before and I haven't been really happy with them. The other thing what I love about this, and get ready for it, is that they come in a range of colours. And although my favourite colours are blue and purple, but they've got green, they've got red, they've got white, they've got a range of colours that would suit pretty well anyone. Organisation is brilliant. It's got 3 compartments in, and like in this particular one, just to give you an idea, you can keep your stained glass tools in this side. I tend to go through quite a number of these cotton buds, so that's really handy, but you could put gloves in there, a container of gloves. Your tools are easy to get in and out. And on this side, I've got things like my wooden sticks that I use to spread grout and sometimes glue, scissors. And how many times do we all lose pairs of tweezers? This keeps it all organised. So what you can do is you can just have your general tools in this, just your everyday ones that you want to have near your Mosaic, or if you're doing a project and you want specific tools for it, you can keep them all separate and put it in this, and if you're walking around, you can carry it with you as well. So if you happen to be going on a job site, this is perfect. If you happen to be in your studio and you've got stuff around everywhere, well then if you want to keep your specific tools in a place, if you're doing a glass on glass, you can have all your glass on glass pieces in this. You might be doing a general mosaic, a mixed media mosaic, so you may buy another one in a different color for that particular project. I just thought I'd bring it to your attention. I love it. They're inexpensive. And like I said, they come in a great range of colors.